Right, guys, I really wanted to get this review out. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is AngieFitnessTV, and I've been teaching rebounding classes for 27 years. I have a physical therapy background. I teach group fitness, Pilates, yoga, TRX, functional movement, and rebounding. So I got this BCAN soft landing Bungee rebounder in, and we put it together. So I'm going to give you a super quick synopsis of all of this. It comes in a box. It does not come assembled. I will link below the video so you can watch the full setup tutorial that BCAN gives you, because I can't do it any better than they already do it now, because they got that full setup tutorial, and it's great. So watch that. If you're concerned about putting it together, watch that video setup tutorial and decide for yourself. Now, this I'm going to call it a premium entry-level rebounder. You guys, I own most rebounders on market, entry, mid, and high-end rebounders. I don't recommend very many off Amazon, and I honestly, wholeheartedly do recommend this one, and I'm going to tell you why for a premium entry-level rebounder. So the best thing about this is the customizable bounce. Now, this rebounder comes in 40-inch and 48-inch. You get the 40-inch with all green bungees, and the all green bungees is the softest bounce. I would recommend the all green bungees 40-inch if you are lightweight and you want a soft, deep bounce. A lightweight would be 130 pounds or under. I am 126 pounds. Now, I did buy the 48-inch mixed bungee. So I got half green and I got half black. So for this demonstration, I have it 50-50. So I thought that would make my bounce about medium, and it put me on the firm end for the bounce. Again, 126 pounds. So what I would do is I'll take some more of the green bungees and I'll double the green bungees and lessen the black bungees. So if you are a medium, I'm going to say this is probably the one that I would buy if I'm not sure if I want too soft or too firm. I like it that you can mix the black, you can mix the green, and you can get the perfect bounce for you. But that's why I said the green was there. If you love a soft, deep bounce, or you're 110 pounds, 120 pounds, you may just want to stick with all green. Now they have the 48-inch all black. That is going to be for the heavier individual. And it's also going to be for the person who only wants to use a rebounder for athletic moves, high intensity, quick, fast paced workouts, and they want an extra firm to firm bounce. So I hope that cleared it up. So when you buy the 40-inch is all green. That's going to be a deeper, soft bounce. This one here is a 48-inch mixed with black and green bungees. That is the middle of the road. You can play with the bounce. I'm going to recommend that for most people. And the all black is going to be really firm to extra firm. Now, what else do I want to say about this? It is very well made. The legs have a little bit of an arch, so most people in reviews find that this is a very stable leg type. Some people do not like the straight legs. They don't feel that's very stable. I have not had that issue personally, and this has a little arch because they were trying to make it a little bit like jump sport on that. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get on the rebounder. Just so you guys know, I always wear tennis shoes, even on my soft bounce deep rebounders, and that's because I have arthritis in my knee. So I always choose to wear rebounders, and I'm 52 years old. So just so you guys I don't know, for reference, you can see. So I'm pressing down into the mat. What I like about the mat is when I'm bouncing down into the mat, it's my weight is evenly distributed and there is a smoothness to the mat. It is a very quiet bounce. It's not squeaky, it's not noisy. It is a beautiful, quiet bounce. Now, it is a big bounce space, so you can see I can do jacks just like this, in and out. I can do skiers. So there's a lot I can do. And this rebounder has a very, very, very big bounce space. So, not too difficult to assemble. I love what makes this a premium entry level rebounder. This is more of a professional grade entry level rebounder. That's the way I would put it. They have a standard BCAN, and that is great, but I would absolutely recommend this soft land BCAN rebounder to people, and that's what I will be doing from here forward. I love that you can customize the bounce. You have 3 options: the all green, the mixed with the green and black, or the all black. I really like that BCAN has stepped it up a notch and really gone premium with their entry level rebounder. Now, also, if you use this discount code right here, you will get 10% off. The company was so kind. They gave me that code, and just want to pass that on to you guys. So thank you, BCAN, for allowing me to do this review. And the last thing you guys need to know is my time is my time. I do reviews. I'm honest. I'm real. I don't lie. This truly is a rebounder I would, at the premium entry level price point, recommend for my family and friends. Now, if you don't find this rebounder is for you, feel free to reach out to me, and I will put all my contact information in the description box below, and reach out to me, and I would love to help you find the perfect rebounder for you. Be sure to use this code for 10% off, and the link to this specific rebounder is in the description box below or right up here. All right, you guys, until next time, goodbye.